So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 channel. Okay, here we are going to do this reading passage. The title of this reading passage is Research on Improving Agricultural Yields in Africa. So of course this is passage 3, longer passage. I will try to finish it within 18 or 20 minutes, and it may be possible that if I am stuck at one question, I may leave that question. Okay, same strategy you should also follow it, and it is possible that one or two question may be incorrect, but yes, at the end I will show you the correct answers at the end, because most of the students, they were asking it. Okay, so after looking at the title, now let's look at the type of questions they are offering us for this reading passage. First type of question we have MCQs. Choose the correct letter A, B, C, D. It means we have been provided 4 options and we have to select only one option. Okay, in answer sheet you have to write, so this is the instruction, write the correct letter in boxes 28 to 32 on your answer sheet. Means you have to write A. If the answer is A, then you have to write 28 A letter in front of that number question. Okay, now second type of question we have. Look at the following statements and the list of researchers. It means we have list of researchers type of question, and we have five list of researchers. So whenever we will be doing first type of question, definitely we will just underline these person's name and their inverted comma also. Okay, means what they are saying, they're saying maybe they're saying are always in their inverted comma saying. Okay, what they are saying about their research and all. Third type of question we have, complete the summary below, choose no more than 2 words. Okay, let's start with first type of question. Now this is my first question, let's read it immediately. What is the main problem? So main problem faced by cattle farmers in Ethiopia according to Professor Wood. Okay, so definitely I am going to find this Wood and Ethiopia, and then I will be looking for problem. Okay, let's look at the first paragraph. Try to practice reading passage with me with this video, then it will be good thing when you are watching this video. Please try to do it on your own also. So I was looking for Wood, Professor Wood is there, and I was looking for cattle also, and now we were looking for Ethiopia. So doesn't matter, but we have got this Wood also, Professor Wood and cattle also, and they were discussing some problem. Let's read it from here. Ethiopia word is here. Yeah, for example, has the largest livestock population in Africa, but with a growing population, cattle are not enough, and now efforts to dual farming, they are bringing a significant health concern. Okay, Professor James from the university, that new breeds that are being introduced are more vulnerable to bovine that cattle which were previously reared here. So this may have health implication for those who work with live alongside infected cattle. Okay, raises concern about transmission to areas which previously. Okay, let's read the options. So they are talking about new cattle breeds and all, and some disease also they are talking. So the question, what is the main problem faced by cattle farmers according to Professor Wood? Okay, what Professor Wood was saying, TB is being transmitted from people to cattle. No, nothing, they have not told about this, that it is transmitted from people to cattle. No, the new breeds of cattle have led to an increase in TB. New breeds, yes, definitely they were talking about new breeds have led to an increase in TB. So this we can consider it, but let's read another one. The traditional breeds of cattle are being affected by TB. No, they were reared it, they were talking are being affected by TB, it is not given. TB has spread into places where it was previously unknown. So TB has spread into places, this was given, but this portion was this is not explained it. So I will go with that. So new breeds of cattle have led to an increase in TB. So I will show you the answer. So here new breeds word was there, that are introduced are more vulnerable to bovine TB, means vulnerable, that have led to, means they have led to this disease then Zebu cattle. This is oldest traditional cattle which were previously reared. So means these new breeds have led to new disease. Next question, when discussing the cultivation of cabbage in Ghana, the writer says that this crop, okay, so I will be looking for Ghana and cabbages, and the writer says about this crop. Okay, let's read the paragraph. Now here this paragraph we have done. I will be looking for Ghana. Program brings together veterinary scientists. Scientist name is there, Ethiopian, UK institutions. We need this. So wood I will be just circling it because this is writer's name. So I was looking for Ghana. Yes, it is easily visible, and they are talking about cabbages in that question. So what the writer is saying about cabbages in Ghana, who is working on another food, cabbages are not indigenous to Africa, means they are not, they don't belong to Africa, they are from outside, but have become a major cash crop for Ghanaian farmers and an important source of income for traders and markets and hotels. Okay, this was saying. Let's read the question statement. So question statement for MCQ, it is always compulsory to read, to understand the question statement, and then after reading the information in the passage, then you match it, these options. Was introduced from outside Africa. Was, and yes, it was given. So that is the answer. But let's read the another thing. Is not eaten much by local people. No, it is not given. Is not grown correctly by many farmers. It is also not given. Requires the use of fertilizer and special equipment. That was also not given. So you can read the other parts of the paragraph. So our answer is that. So I will show you. So here cabbages are not indigenous to Africa but have become a major crops. So these lines denote the first option. Okay. Now 30th, Fanning believed that new disease destroying cabbage was. Okay, so Fanny is here. Okay, and a good crop. So we have read almost this. So what they are saying, cabbages. Okay, from his field station base in Kapong, Ghana, Fleming works closely with smallholder farmers on pest control strategies. 2 years ago, they reporting that new disease, yes, this was in the question statement, was attacking their crops. It seemed to be associated with massive infestations of pink and green aphids. Okay, says Fanning, and from my studies of the way insects interact with many different vegetables, I am familiar with the types of damage they can cause. Okay, let's read the statement. So caused by overuse of pesticides kind of thing were given, but overuse of pesticides were not given. Also affecting other locally grown vegetables. No, it was also not given. Linked to insect attacks on these vegetables. So insect attacks he was talking about, we can consider this, but let's read D. Connected with the development of new insect breeds. So this was also not given. So this answer we can just select for that. So 31 number. Fanning first suspected that the cabbage disease was caused by a virus. First he suspected that the cabbage disease was caused by a virus. Okay, because reason he is giving reason. Yes, he wanted to know about virus. So he, okay, suspect. So here he was just believing new disease was attacking their crops. It seemed to be associated with massive infestations of pink, and says Fanning, from my studies of the way insects interact with many different vegetables, I am familiar with the type of. So earlier he was familiar with the type of damage that they can cause. These disease. Okay. But again in next paragraph, but farmers were typically seeing the total loss of their crops, and he realized that devastation couldn't be just caused by sap sucking insects. Despite no previous reports of viral disease affecting crops, in the symptoms suggested a viral pathogen. Let's read the options. because we have read 3-4 sentences, then definitely we need to do it, we need to read it, and then if we couldn't find the answer, then we need to read it ahead. Suspected cabbage disease was caused by a virus because evidence of viral disease could be seen on the cabbage leaves. Evidence of viral disease could be seen. Virus. Pink and green aphids did not commonly attack cabbages. Pink and green cabbages, okay. Viral disease affecting vegetables had occurred elsewhere in Africa. No. Aphids would not have caused so much damage to the crops. Okay, so let's read it once again. So this also, next paragraph, next page. Together with Cambridge plant biologist Dr. John Fanning collected samples of cabbage Ghana showing. So here together work, it means we need to just find the answer in the previous page, in the previous paragraph. So now another person is interrupted here, so it means we were looking only for, so you can see it in 31 question, Fanny first suspected. So this person's finding we need to find. Actually, I should leave this question, but still I am looking. But farmers were typically seeing the total loss of their crops, and he realized that devastation couldn't be just caused by sap sucking insect. Okay, despite no previous reports of viral disease affecting cabbage crops in Ghana, the symptoms suggested a different viral pathogens. Okay, so here pink and green aphids, it's associated, though they are talking about pink and green aphids also. From my studies of the way insects interact with many different vegetables. Okay, let's read the options again. Evidence of viral could be seen on the cabbage leaf. This is different, not disease. Cabbage disease was caused by a virus. They are talking about virus. Pink and green aphids. So viral, it was given in the last line. Pink and green did not commonly attack. No. Viral disease affecting vegetables had occurred elsewhere in Africa. This is also not explained. Aphids would not have caused so much damage to the crop. So we can put this also. Okay, this D answer we can put it. So okay, 32nd. When doing further research in Cambridge, Feng and Card discovered. Okay, now they are together in the next paragraph. What I was trying to read. Discovered. They jointly discovered. What they discovered. Let's read it. So now I will just circle it because we need this person's name in another type of question. Together with Cambridge, word is also there. First collected samples of cabbage plants in Ghana showing signs of disease and also aphids on the diseased plants. Okay, this disease and also aphids on diseased plants. Screening including a type of DNA to identify aphid species, molecular trying to identify the offending virus. Aphids are a common carrier of plant infecting viruses. The usual suspects are turnip. Mosaic virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, which affect cabbage in Europe and in US. Okay, we found that 2 different species of aphid green were originally found on the diseased cabbages. Okay, so it means jointly they had done aphid. Says Fleming, it turned out this was the first record of the green. Okay, let's read the options again. When doing further research in Cambridge, Feng and Card discovered that the virus was unfamiliar to them. Yes, definitely it was unfamiliar to them. 2 different viruses were present. 2 different viruses were also present. I agree, yes. 2 different, the virus, yes, definitely this was unfamiliar to them. That's why they had done research. Okay, the aphid's DNA was more complex than expected. So DNA word was there. So DNA including a type of DNA to identify the aphid and sophisticated molecule try to identify the offending virus. No. So was more complex than expected, it is not given. One was more harmful than other, this is also not given. So they were saying pink and green were attacking the virus. So that is the answer, was unfamiliar to them. Okay, so for here it is given try methods to try to identify the offending virus. That's why this is the answer. The virus was unfamiliar to them. That's why they were doing research. Now this list of researchers, as we have already read the instructions, you can use any letter more than once. Now I will be looking for these writers' name. So let's read the options. Particular crop may make an contribution to local economy in one African country. So that we know the location where it is. It was in second paragraph. Test will be carried out by local people in the country where the research is focused. Test will be carried out by local people. Okay. Different specialists. Yes, we know. Program, it was in first paragraph. One type of insect attacking was previously unknown. So previously unknown, so that person, this he was talking about previously unknown. Okay, so this we can match it, and program also. But let's read the location. Local economy, important contribution to the local economy in one African country. So let's look at this location. So here, because we have read the almost all the paragraphs, so before the second type of question, that's why we know the location. So here they were talking about program, some program in fourth option. I think this was the program brings together veterinary scientists, and yes, they are talking about many scientists. So it means that is matching with last option. So that who is saying this? Says Wood. So that will match it. And another thing that I was telling you, that we have read one country in Africa. This is the country. Cabbages are not indigenous to Africa but have major cash crop, means cash crop for Ghanaian farmers. It means it is adding maximum contribution to the local economy. So that is also, so that is related to fanning. So these two answers we have found, or these two answers we will match. That's why we should read it thoroughly. I'm not saying that you should understand the question. So local economy, he was saying this B. So I am putting it B, and this program kind of thing, he was saying Mr. Wood, James Wood. So I will be putting A with James Wood. Now we have left this test and previously unknown. So definitely one type of insect attacking, this Mr. Fleming was saying in previously unknown. I will show you where it is. So here previously unknown. Okay. Recently, however, fields of this thing, and because all the things Mr. Fanning is saying here in these two paragraphs, so they can cause. Farmers were, despite no previous reports of devastation, viral disease affecting cabbage in Ghana, the symptoms suggested a viral pathogen. So this is the thing he has said. For again this, it will come for B. Now we have left only one. Test will be carried out by local people. Okay, let's find this local people in the country where the research is focused. Research is focused. Test word I will be looking for, test. Okay. So now in the second page of this reading, now we have already gone through this paragraph. So now we have this much of passage is left. Okay, I will show you, just a minute. This much of from here to here we have left. Let's find the test word here. So this person name is also there. I am just circling it if maybe, but I am looking for test word. So researchers hope outcome of test to test. Okay. Saharan colonized immune system. Okay. For manful, again person name has been ability to expand. Research is also there. I have been fully functional lab and DNA extraction analysis, and we are teaching students from diagnostic method. So no, I will leave this question actually. Okay. For this question, I haven't found this local people and test, and where research is focused will be carried out. So future kind of thing they are talking about. Let's find it. Future kind of thing. So discovered and okay, I am leaving it. Is playing a crucial. Okay, let's do the fill in the blank. Yes, to complete the summary below, choose no more than 2 words. We have to select 2 words or 1 words. Okay, so this is the word I am going to look for, because in one paragraph, big paragraph was there. I think this word was there. Let's read the statement. Is a disease caused by parasite which is spread by an insect called dash. Okay. So this paragraph is a big paragraph here, so let's find it. And this word I have read it. Yeah, this is the topic name that complete the summary. Title name is also a disease of humans. The number of cases is low, and we need to look for parasite word in sentence. Parasite is here. Yes, that causes the disease is carried by the TST fly, which colonies vast swathes of Sub-Saharan country Africa. Says that a lot is now known about parasites. Okay, let's read the statement. You also have to make hurry while finding the answers. Is a disease caused by a parasite. We have found this word, which is spread by an insect. Okay, so insect called the dash. So fly word was also fly. So what is fly? Okay, so fly was there, so called the dash name was given. It means called the testy fly. Oh no, it is not testy fly. Okay, actually TST fly. So disease, the parasite which causes the disease. So this kind of language was given in the statement, carried by this is insect. Okay, so let's write this word, which colonize vast swathes of. Carrington says that this is a lot now known about parasite molecular mechanism. So spread by an insect, that is TSE fly. So spelling you have to match it from here, TSE here. Okay, so the parasite can remain unaffected by the host dash because it is able to change the dash on its outer covering. Okay, let's find it. Unaffected by the host. Who is the host? Because it is able to change the dash on its outer covering. Okay, this is the only paragraph we are going to find the answer now. Carrington, a lot is now known about this parasite molecular mechanism. In particular way, it evades the immune system of the animal acting. Okay, so this insect, they are talking about this insect, that parasite that causes the disease is carried by this insect, which colonize vast. So read it thoroughly, then you will get to know the meaning. A lot is now known about parasite, this mechanism, this molecular mechanism. This parasites in particular, it evades the immune system of the animal acting as host word by altering the proteins in its coat to remain invisible. Okay, to change word was also there. Let's read. So I will get the answer only from here to here. Okay, let's read the statement. So here, unaffected by host dash because it is able to change the dash on its outer covering. Okay, so you can easily say here, it evades the immune system. Okay, in particular way, it affects the immune system of the animal acting as its host. So this is the host, so we will be writing immune system, and by altering, so able to change the proteins. Okay, able to change the proteins in its course to remain invisible. So I will be writing the proteins and immune system here. Okay, and affected by the host immune system because it is able to change. Altering word was also given, so it is protein. So you will be asking me where is outer covering, so you can just find it by reading it another line. So it is uncommon among humans, but has been found to affect most dash in Ghana. Uncommon among humans, but has been found to affect most. So it is not common among humans, but found in most. So yes, we have read up to this. You realize that there is almost known about the dynamics of an infection outer area of the of an infection all over round, like this is dynamics of this word. And even whether infection acquired at an early age persists for its lifetime, he says. So Manful and Carrington set about testing cattle in Ghana. They discovered that nearly all were infected most of the time. Yes, this line was given. Cattle in Ghana, set about testing cattle in Ghana. So they discovered they all were. So a cattle will come. So cattle will come over here. Okay, so that is the answer. So let's find, I will show you the answers now. So this is the answer that we have done, passage 3, okay, test 3, book number 14, but this is general GT reading, but third section is same as we have in academic. Okay, these are the answers. You can guess one answer I left, one question I left, you can just find it. I will tell you, I will try to find that answer also. So I have left this 34th test will be carried out by local people in the country where the research is focused. Okay, so in hurry, everything I have read, so there was nothing like local people and all, but later on now I have realized this paragraph, we have read it, we have read the paragraph, but here he is talking about, let's read it. One of the important gains have been the ability to expand the research in Ghana. I now have a fully functional lab, can do DNA. Fully functional lab means test can be done, can do DNA extraction and analysis. So these two words denotes test can be done. I don't have to bring samples to Cambridge, means he don't have to bring samples to Cambridge. We are teaching students from 5 Ghanaian institutions for the diagnostic method. It means that person name, that person is saying everything, that they are teaching common people will come and do test in that. So that is the thing they were talking about. So that's why answer is this, manful. Okay, so for this C will come. Okay, thank you so much for watching.